For all the materials na gagamitin ko for the costume, I paid for a total of 105 pesos and 55 centavos. So, yun lang po. So, please know po na hindi po ako professional, pero marunong naman po akong tumahi ng mga basic lang na mga stitches, lalong-lalo na yung pang fix natin sa mga damit natin na may butas. So, yun lang po. Wala po kasi akong, machine na pwedeng gamitin. But anyway, I hope that you will find this video helpful. Now, unang-una po, I'll show to you the materials na gagamitin for the costume. So let's start with the garter. Actually, ito is 1 meter and last na kasi ito eh. So it's 1 meter and 10 inches, I guess. And I paid a total of 15 pesos. So, ano siya na torn? 15 pesos and 95 cents. And ito naman, yeah, I'm not sure exactly like ano yung pangalan nito, but I this is like 2 meters and 55 centimeters, I guess. So, this is like 12 pesos per meter. So, ang nabayaran ko po dito is 30 pesos and 60 centavos. Yung mga hilo naman, of course, oh, sorry. I got, so yung sa mga hilo naman, I got yellow or gold. And this is 6 pesos and 50 centavos. And another one, brown. Later on, you will understand bakit siya brown. It's also 6 pesos and 50 centavos. So, for the two, it's 13 pesos. And also, lastly, for the tela, Alpha Jana yung binili kong tela kasi mas mura siya. And 1 meter is only for 46 pesos. So, ito. Actually, yung kulay niya might be different from the usual Igorot costume kasi wala na kasing available na yung usual na color for the Igorot costume. But nagsa-search naman ako, may nakita akong mga ganito or mga ibang kulay, for may blue, may mga green. So I think it's perfectly fine. As long as, it's like yung pagkatahi niya is the same. Now anyway, for all the materials na gagamitin ko for the costume, I paid for a total of 105 pesos and 55 centavos. So yun lang po. And then yung effort ko lang sa paggawa, so it's just 100 pesos. Hindi siya sobrang kamahal. Anyway, another thing pala na gagamitin ko or makakatulong sa akin sa paggawa is, again, I am not a professional mananahi. So, may vest ako dito. I actually had this when I was high school, I guess. So, ito yung gagamitin ko sa, like, as a pattern later. And kung wala kayong ganitong vest, actually, pwede kayong gumamit ng sandu ng anak nyo, which looks like this. Or baka medyo mas malapad siya para pang pattern nyo lang. Okay. Kasi DIY lang yung gagawin natin.